In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers and dear nature lovers. Very warm welcome to you in Ashraf Botanical Garden. Viewers, today I am showing you another very rare insect. Where this is one of the kind of beetles, flat-bodied beetle, and you can see that the beautiful pattern on its back. Basically, this is an arthropod. It has 6 legs, 3 on each side and 2 tentacles on top, and you can see the muzzle, the snout. Here, this is one of the rarest beetles, and I have located it first time, and it is sitting on the tree of Onocorpus. Here you can see that its legs are also 2 colored, white and black. Basically you can say that it is a pied beetle, and there is a shape on its back. You can see that the face, you can also say that it is the ghost beetle. The 2 eyes, the nose, and the gaping open mouth. Viewers, I'm sure you have enjoyed this view of nature, this beautiful insect. Take care of your flora and fauna, and take care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Almighty keep you happy and healthy.